Welcome to our video on key features and advancements in modern drilling machines. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, stay tuned as we explore the latest innovations shaping the world of drilling technology. Let's dive in. High-power motors and torque control. Modern drilling machines are equipped with powerful motors and advanced torque control systems to handle the toughest materials with ease. These features ensure efficient drilling and reduce wear on drill bits. Automation and precision drilling technology. With advancements in automation, drilling machines now feature programmable settings and real-time monitoring systems, allowing for precision drilling with minimal manual intervention. Enhanced safety features and operator comfort. New drilling machines come with safety mechanisms such as anti-kickback technology, emergency shutoff systems, and vibration reduction features to protect operators from fatigue and injuries. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on the key features and advancements in modern drilling machines, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.